In this video, I'll show you how to join the System.io affiliate program and start earning commissions step by step. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your device. Now, search for System.io to open its official website. Once the website opens, click on the Start for Free Now button. Next, enter your email address to create your free System.io account. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account creation process. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to your System.io dashboard. Inside the dashboard, hover your cursor over the Dashboard tab, then select My Affiliate Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Now you'll be on the Affiliate Dashboard where you can view your commissions, payments, leads, invoices, and earnings. And the best part is, you don't need to fill out a separate application form like many other affiliate programs. Simply creating a System.io account and it will be automatically gives you access to the affiliate program. Here, you'll find your unique affiliate links that you can share to earn money. Whenever someone signs up or makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you can earn commissions. Thanks for watching.